folks, this is Matthew Guerra with Seacoast Mortgage Corporation. And I'm going to start a series of videos where I'm going to teach you about getting a mortgage and how to go through the whole entire process of going from rental to owning your own home. So the first thing I want to tell you is, what do you need to know about the mortgage process? And I'm going to create many videos, and this will be the first one. And of course, there's a lot of information to digest here, so rather than give you an hour and a half worth of information, watch these videos at your own pace, and you might find them interesting. So, what will you learn through all my videos? You will learn what you need to obtain a mortgage. You will learn how much house you can afford, all the different loan products available to you. You'll be prepared to take the steps now to improve your position when you do decide to buy a house. So even if you're not buying a house today, I strongly urge you to listen to all these videos and get yourself in a position to purchase a home. And again, my name is Matthew Guerra with Seacoast Corporation. My phone number is 401-640-3364. And my email is mguerra@seacoastmortgage.com. You'll see that in the bottom left. So you decide to say, I'm going to buy a house today or soon. Who do you want to speak to first? Most people will go to the realtor first, and they'll ask the realtor, okay, I want to buy a house. Can you show me some houses? So the realtor will then ask you, what type of house would you like to buy? Would you want a colonial, a Cape, a Victorian, a multifamily, a single-family, investment property, or a house you live in? And they'll set you up on a search where houses will be sent to your email that fit the description you're looking for. By doing this, though, they will give you an idea of what a house that you want will cost. So say you want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath Cape we're in Rhode Island, so let's say you want one in Cranston, you'll get the price range of what they cost compared to, say, Cumberland or down in Newport. But ultimately, a realtor will ask to get a pre-qualification letter. Realtors do not want to take the time to show you houses in person if you can't buy a house. Most realtors don't need practice showing houses. They'd like to purchase houses on behalf of their customers. So, let's say you go to the mortgage loan officer first. That's what I am. What will we do? First, we'll gather your financial information, and we'll determine which programs you qualify for. And we should be able to give you an idea of how much house you can purchase and what it will cost to own a house. We'll tell you how much the mortgage is going to be, how much taxes or insurance are going to be, and maybe mortgage insurance or any other costs that are associated with home ownership. And then, once we've reviewed everything, all your information, we will give you a letter of pre-qualification to purchase a house. What will you need to get a pre-qual letter from us? Obviously, I need to know your name, your address, your date of birth, your phone number, your email, so we can communicate that way, and social security number. I want to know where you've lived in the last 2 years. That way, if you move around a lot, I need to know that. Your job history. I need to know 2 years of where you've worked. The goal usually is to determine where you've worked the last 2 years and where you'll be the next 3 years. Underwriters, which are really the barrier to getting a mortgage, they're rated on how well they perform, meaning how well the mortgages that they write do. So we have to make the case to the underwriter that says you are a good person to give a mortgage to because you have a stable income and you'll be able to pay your bills. On the bottom you'll see it says what to bring. When you want to get a pre-qual letter, bring your W-2s or your tax returns for 2 years and your most recent 2 pay stubs. Once we have your social security number, we can determine your debts from that, and we can figure out what you can afford to do, what you can purchase. Things you got to be careful of, though. If you've had a bankruptcy recently, a short sale, or a foreclosure. If you've had a bankruptcy in the last 2 years, you cannot get a house. Wait until the bankruptcy was discharged 2 years ago, then you can purchase. A short sale. Usually, you cannot purchase a house after a short sale unless until 3 years later, unless for the 12 months leading up to the short sale, you have made every single payment on time. With a foreclosure, no exceptions, 3-year waiting period, then you can purchase a house. Be careful in those 2 cases, though, short sale or foreclosure. Sometimes the deeds are not recorded in a timely manner, and you may think you foreclosed in 2007, but for some reason the attorney hasn't filed the paperwork until 2014. So you need to know if you fit and qualify under any of those circumstances, or if you've been a victim of poor timing. So take a look at some of my other videos. That's the initial start now, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.